Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best bamboo rings for crafts. The Worown 6-pack 8-inch bamboo floral hoops. If you're into DIY projects, wedding decorations, macrame, or dream catchers, these wooden wreath rings might just be the perfect addition to your crafting supplies. These hoops come in a pack of 6, each measuring about 8 inches in diameter, which is a great size for a wide range of projects. Whether you're creating large floral wreaths, designing wedding decor, or putting together wall hangings, these hoops offer plenty of space to get creative. One of the standout features of these hoops is their natural bamboo construction. Bamboo is known for being both strong and lightweight, making these rings sturdy enough to hold various decorations while still being easy to handle. The thickness of the rings is approximately 1 centimeter, giving them solid durability without feeling bulky or heavy. Plus, bamboo is environmentally friendly and recyclable, so using these hoops supports sustainable crafting. The surface of the hoops has been carefully treated to be smooth, which means you can easily wrap ribbons, fabrics, or cotton ropes around them without worrying about snagging or uneven textures. The connection point where the bamboo joins is tight and neat, helping maintain a clean look for your finished pieces and ensuring the hoop maintains its shape over time without deforming. These hoops are highly versatile. Beyond floral wreaths, they're excellent for dream catchers, macrame crafts, and even plant hangers. If you're someone who enjoys hands-on projects, these rings provide a perfect foundation to explore your creativity. You can add flowers, greenery, fabrics, ribbons, or any material you prefer, customizing your decor for holidays, weddings, or everyday use. In terms of size options, the 8-inch diameter is just one of several available from Worown. They also offer sizes ranging from 4 inches all the way up to 12 inches, so you can select the perfect size for your specific project needs. This variety makes it easy to mix and match for layered designs or different craft styles. Each hoop weighs roughly 0.1 kilograms, making the entire set easy to store and transport. Whether you're crafting at home or bringing supplies to a workshop or event, these hoops won't add much weight to your bag. To sum it up, the Worown 8-inch bamboo floral hoops combine quality, sustainability, and versatility in one package. Their natural bamboo material, sturdy construction, smooth finish, and appropriate size make them a fantastic choice for a wide range of craft projects. If you're looking to elevate your DIY game with reliable and eco-friendly wreath rings, these hoops are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.